Welcome to Easy Math World. In this video, we are discussing about the topic trigonometry first part. Means the basic part already we discussed, then related to basic part how we will calculate the sides and angles. So finding sides and angles by using trigonometry. We know already we are using a right angle triangle. Here you can see that first angle is theta. Comparing to this theta, opposite side is this is the opposite side, then this is our adjacent side, then always the longest side is our hypotenuse. Then we already learned the relation SOHCAHTOA. What is SOHCAHTOA? Sine opposite divided by hypotenuse, then cos adjacent divided by hypotenuse, then tan opposite divided by adjacent side. One more, sine opposite by hypotenuse, then cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent side. So these are the main three trigonometric functions. Now using these trigonometric functions, we are calculating the sides or angles. We can check some examples how we will calculate the sides by using trigonometry. So for each of the following triangles, find the length of the unknown lettered side. This is our question. The first example is a triangle given, one side given 200 centimeter. We know this is our hypotenuse because opposite of 90 degree. Then one angle given 25 degree. Then one side given a centimeter. This is an unknown letter. We want to find the value of a. How we will find the value of a? By using trigonometry. So what are the relations given in this question? You know angle is equal to 25 degree, then hypotenuse is 200 centimeter, and opposite side, this is our question, a centimeter. So using this one, hypotenuse, opposite, and one angle, which relation you will use? Using angle, hypotenuse, opposite side, the relation is sine. Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is our opposite side? It's our question, a, then hypotenuse is 200, then angle given 25 degrees. So sine 25 degree is equal to a divided by 200. Now use algebra, then a is equal to 200 times sine 25. Now use calculator, a equal to 84.5236 extra. This is our scientific calculator answer. Just write this answer into 3SF, then you will get the answer a equal to 84.5 centimeter. So we got the opposite side is equal to 84.5 centimeter by using trigonometry. We can check another example. Example 2. The question is, there is a right angle triangle. One angle is 28 degree. Comparing to this angle, this is the adjacent side, d centimeter. Then this is our hypotenuse, it's 12 centimeter. We want to calculate this adjacent side. What is the answer? So what are the given condition? Angle is equal to 28 degree. Then after hypotenuse is equal to 12 centimeter and adjacent side is equal to d centimeter. What is the value of d? So how to calculate? First step means what is our hypotenuse and adjacent relation, that is cos. So cos theta equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. What is our theta? Theta is equal to 28 degrees. So cos 28 is equal to adjacent means it's our question d divided by 12. Now just use algebra, then you will get d is equal to 12 times sine 28. Use your scientific calculator. You will get the value d is equal to 5.6336. Then just write this answer into 3SF. So you will get the answer d is equal to 5.63 centimeter. This is our final answer. So comparing to this question, we got d is equal to 5.63 or our adjacent side is equal to 5.63 centimeter. We can check one more example related to side. Example 3. This is our question using this right angle triangle. We know now 8 centimeter is our adjacent side. 71 degree is the angle. Then comparing to 71 degree, opposite side is E centimeter. Then find the value of E. So what are the given condition in your question? Angle given 71 degree. Now opposite side we don't know, that is E centimeter, but we know adjacent side is equal to 8 centimeter. So opposite and adjacent relation. What is opposite and adjacent relation is tan. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Now tan angle is 71. So tan 71 equal to E divided by 8. So just use algebra, then you will get E is equal to 8 times tan 71. Use calculator, we will get the value 23.2336 etc. That means E is equal to 23.2. We are rounding into 3 as a answer. We will get E is equal to 23.2 centimeter. So this is our opposite side by using the trigonometric function tan. So we learned now how we will use sine, cos and tan by calculating the sides of a right angle triangle. Now we can check how to find angle by using trigonometry. So this is our right angle triangle. We learned already this longest side is hypotenuse, then comparing to this theta, this is our opposite side and this is the adjacent side. How we will use the angle by using trigonometry. So first main, you should remember always sine theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse, then cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse and tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Now how we will calculate the angle theta? Theta is equal to, the representation is that sine inverse opposite by hypotenuse. Sine inverse opposite by hypotenuse. What is this? If we are using cos theta, how we will calculate theta? Theta is equal to cos inverse adjacent by hypotenuse. If the function is related to tan, how we will calculate this angle? Theta is equal to tan inverse opposite by adjacent. How we will get this value in our calculator means just use shift and sine button, you will get sine inverse. Shift and cos button, you will get cos inverse, and shift and tan button, you will get tan inverse. So theta is equal to tan inverse opposite by adjacent, and theta is equal to cos inverse adjacent by hypotenuse, or theta is equal to sine inverse opposite by hypotenuse. Now we can check some examples how to find angle by using trigonometry. First example. This is the first example. For each of the following triangle, find to 1 decimal place. Remember, we should write the answer 1 decimal place because angle question we will mention into 1 decimal place, the lettered angle. So this is the question. We want to find this theta, but we know comparing to this theta, this is our adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse side. So hypotenuse and adjacent we know, but we should find the value of theta, that means this angle. So what are the things we know? Adjacent side is equal to 8 centimeter and hypotenuse is equal to 16 centimeter, and we should find this angle theta. So how we will find this angle theta? We know adjacent and hypotenuse. What is the relation between adjacent and hypotenuse? Adjacent and hypotenuse means cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is our theta? Theta is equal to, cos theta is equal to 8 by 16. So theta is equal to cos inverse adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 8 over 16. 8 over 16 means 1 over 2. So cos inverse 1 over 2 means we know it's 60 degree. So theta is equal to, we got the answer 60 degree. Now check one more example. Example 5. Look here, we know comparing to this theta, this is the opposite side and this is the hypotenuse. We should find this angle theta. How we will find this angle? So we know opposite side is 12 centimeter and hypotenuse is 7 centimeter and angle is equal to theta. Now which trigonometric formula we will use? Opposite side and hypotenuse. Opposite side and hypotenuse we should use sine theta. So sine theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse, or sine theta is equal to 12 divided by 17, or theta is equal to sine inverse 12 over 17. You can use calculator. shift sign, then this value, you will get the answer 44.90087 etc. degree. This is our angle. Now we should write this one into one decimal place. So the answer is 44.9 degree. So we got the answer theta equal to 44.9 degree. Now go to the next example. Example 6. This is our right angle triangle. Comparing to this theta, you know, this is our opposite side. It's 6.7 centimeter. Then this is the adjacent side. It's 3.4 centimeter. Then we want to find this theta. So what are the given condition? It's opposite side given. Then adjacent side also given. Then we should find the value of this angle theta. So the first step. Opposite and adjacent, it's the relation is tan. So tan theta equal to opposite divided by adjacent. That is tan theta is equal to 6.7 divided by 3.4. Now what is our theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse 6.7 divided by 3.4. Calculator answer is 63.093906 etc. degree. Now we should write this one into one decimal place. So you will get the answer 63.1 because the third place number is 0. But you should check the fourth number, is it greater than 5 or less than 5? It is greater than 5. So you should add one number here. Even 5 also you should add one number here. So you will get the answer 63.1 degree. So we got the angle theta is equal to 63.1 degree. This is our final answer. So we know now how to calculate angles and sides by using trigonometry. So remember the functions sine theta is equal to, cos theta is equal to, and tan theta is equal to. What is the relation? SOHCAHTOA. It's more easy to find these angles and side. Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Then cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. And tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent side. Thanks for watching this video. I think the video is clear for you. Bye-bye.